How do we solve log questions without using a calculator? Look at these questions. It says, given that log 2 base 10 equals 0.3010 and log 3 base 10 equals 0.4771, calculate without a calculator. A log 6 base 10, B log 18 base 10, C log 4.5 base 10. You're welcome back. I am Miss Becca, and these are the questions we will be solving in this video. So the first one says log 6 base 10. Don't forget that if base is not written in the question, that automatically means it is in base 10 because we use base 10. So remembering the recall the log rules, we can split this since we were given, let's write it out. We were given log 2 and log 3. So the question says log 2 equals 0.3010 and then log 3 equals 0.4771, right? So what you need to do is just think, how do I break down this number to give 2 and 3? And it's simple. 6 is 2 times 3, and we know that in log 2 times 3 is the same thing as log 2 plus log 3. That is, this would give log 2 times 3. This will be log 2 times 3, and this is the same thing as log 2 plus log 3. So what is log 2? 0.3010 plus 0.4771. Then you add it. What is this going to give? Let's add from the right. We have 1, then we have 8, we have 7, we have 7.0. So log 6 base 10 will give 0.7781, and that's it. So the second one is what? Log 18. Now, how do we break down log 18 to give 2 and 3? Do you need personalized help? Click the link in the description to message me directly. So how do we break down log 18? 18 to give 2 and 3. Let's try. This will be log base 10. 18 is 2 times 9, right? 2 times 9. And we still have to break 9 down. This is 2 times 9. So we still need to break 9 down. So this will be log base 10, 2 times, this will be 3 raised power 2, right? So let's simplify further so that we would have something like this. Log 2 plus log 3 raised power 2, and 3 raised power 2, log 3 raised power 2 is same thing as 2 log 3. Then we substitute the value so that we have 0.3010 to be equal to 2, plus, this is supposed to be plus, sorry, plus, this will be plus 2 times 0.4771, and that's it. So this will be 0.3010 plus, when you multiply this, you will get 0.9547, because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 7 is 14, 4 remainder 1, 2 times 7 again is 14 plus 1, that's 15 remainder 1, 2 times 4 is 8 and plus 1. So now we add from the right, we have 2, then we have 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 3 is 12. So we have this 1 point, this is 4 log 18 base 10, and that's it. And to the last one, log 4.5. So let's think of how to split 4.5 to give 10. 4.5 is the same thing as 9 over 2, right? Yes, 4.5 is the same thing as 9 over 2. So this means log 9 minus log 2. And 9 does not have 3 in it. So 9 means 3 raised power 2, just like we have here. So that will be 2 log 3. So this will now be 2 log 3 minus log 2. And that will be 2 times 0.4771 minus 0.3010. And this will be 0.98, right? 9542, 0.9542 minus 0.3010. And when we subtract, 2 minus 0 would be 2, 4 minus 1 would be 3, 5 minus 0 will be 5, 9 minus 3 will be 6.0. So this is 4 log 4.5 base 10. And that's it. That's it. Is that simple? Is that straightforward? So if you have any question, leave it in the comments and I will reply you as soon as possible. See you in the next video. That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.